What if I told you that Toyota has built a motorhome that feels more like a luxury mansion on wheels than a regular camper? Yes, this is the Toyota Motorhome Camper Bus, a stunning creation that blends engineering excellence with first-class comfort. Welcome back to Car Flair, where we explore the world's most exciting and extraordinary vehicles. From the outside, the Toyota Camper Bus is pure elegance on motion. The sleek aerodynamic body, chrome accents, and bold Toyota grille make it look powerful yet graceful. The long panoramic windows and LED headlights give it a futuristic touch, while the body's sculpted lines tell you one thing: this is not just a bus, it's a masterpiece of travel design. Step inside, and you'll forget you're in a vehicle at all. The living area feels like a luxury lounge: soft reclining leather seats, wooden flooring, ambient mood lighting, and a 55-inch smart TV mounted into the wall. It's the perfect place to relax after a long journey or enjoy a movie night under the stars. The kitchen is beautifully compact yet fully equipped: a refrigerator, induction cooktop, microwave, and smart storage solutions that use every inch efficiently. There's even a small dining table that folds out for family meals or morning coffee with a view through the large side windows. Move further back, and you'll find a luxurious bathroom with a full standing shower, toilet, and mirror with LED backlighting. The materials feel premium: everything from the faucet to the sink is designed for both beauty and durability. The bedroom is cozy yet classy. A queen-sized memory foam bed, climate control system, built-in reading lights, and a skylight for late-night stargazing make it the perfect retreat after a day of travel. Hidden cabinets and smart compartments keep the space tidy and open. At the front, the driver's cabin showcases Toyota's signature reliability and smart engineering. You get a digital dashboard, adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and 360-degree cameras for easier parking and navigation. Even with its size, driving this motorhome feels surprisingly smooth and secure. Under the hood, this motorhome packs a 3.5-liter hybrid V6 engine that produces around 400 horsepower. It offers exceptional fuel efficiency and a quiet, refined driving experience. Combined with Toyota's hybrid technology, this bus can travel long distances with reduced emissions and excellent mileage, perfect for road trips across any terrain. To keep you off-grid and comfortable, it includes solar panels, an energy management system, and lithium-ion battery storage for days when you're away from any plug-in power source. The price for this magnificent rolling home? Around $480,000, depending on customization and tech options. A steep price, but for those seeking the ultimate blend of luxury, mobility, and innovation, it's worth every cent. So, what do you think of Toyota's new motorhome camper bus? Would you travel the world in this rolling paradise? Tell us in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Car Flair, where luxury meets adventure every week.